I was a teacher before coming to the United States in 1987 for graduate school. After earning my degree, I worked as a teacher in several states before moving to North Carolina, where I have lived ever since. I was diagnosed with invasive cancer in 2008 and retired early to start my long medical journey. From a Buddhist point of view, I now believe that my severe illness was a result of a heavy karma. However, I didn't know this then, as I had yet to begin my Buddhism practice. Although intensive chemo and radiation treatments likely saved my life, the side effects from those medications have significantly damaged my overall health. I suffered bone loss and a major joint pain. I had a knee replacement and have had to undergo 3 difficult back surgeries to help alleviate painful herniated disc and other problems. Dealing with serious long-term pain ultimately affected my mental health, and I became severely depressed. Depression has been extremely tough to cope with and to treat, and because of that, it's been one of the worst nightmares of all. I have worked hard over the course of my many health challenges to help myself heal physically and mentally. I regularly attended classes in yoga, meditation, and painting, and so on. While I felt better, it was only temporary. I did not find complete, permanent healing until after I started studying Buddhism and began my intensive Buddhist chanting practice in 2019. The changes that happened in me immediately attracted attention of a variety of neighborhood friends. I have lived in this community of 300 families, only 3 of which are Chinese, for 23 years. All of us neighbors live in harmony, care for and help each other, and often share food with each other. Some friends told me several times, "Since you learned Buddhism, we have witnessed your changes. You have transformed from a person walking with a walker and with the word pain written all over your face to a healthy person walking freely with delightful radiance on your face. Your changes have moved us deeply, and your radiance captures us, and we are sincerely happy for you." This year, 2023, at the end of March, I attended a 7-day intensive Buddhist chanting retreat at the Amitabha Buddhist Society of Philadelphia. It was the first time I had gone to a formal Buddhist temple to study since I started learning Buddhism. During the retreat, I had incredible life-changing experience that I would like to share. Before going, I was still in a lot of body pain. During the first 2 days of chanting Amitabha, my pain was so unbearable that I questioned my ability to continue. On the 3rd day, because I really didn't want to give up, I was determined to switch my mind and insisted on chanting Amitabha and letting go of all attachment and delusions. That afternoon, I suddenly felt significantly and noticeably less pain. I realized immediately that when I concentrated on reciting Amitabha and letting go, including releasing my painful feelings, my mind was pure, and I started feeling the blessing of the Buddha's power. My tears flowed freely, and deep gratitude rose from the bottom of my heart. Every day for the next few days, my pain became lighter, and on the fifth day, the pain disappeared completely. On the seventh day, a miracle appeared. I was able to finally kneel to worship Buddha 108 times. This is completely unimaginable. Because of my artificial knee and serious back problems, I have not been able to kneel or bend my back for a very long time. On the day of farewell, I shared with a master there that Amitabha had helped me cure my body and heal my mind. Amitabha is indeed a great king of medicine. This amazing experience is the most convincing proof to me and to others. I returned home filled with deep gratitude for this amazing experience and eternally grateful for the incredible achievements I was able to accomplish during my 7-day retreat of reciting Amitabha. Deep meditation is powerful and healing when we allow ourselves to feel and accept that healing and that power. The biggest insight of the retreat was this. As Buddhists, everyone hopes to be blessed by the Buddha's power. However, if we don't let go of our attachment to worldly affairs, then we will not be able to develop a pure, sincere heart to receive the blessings of Buddha's power. It is not that the Buddha does not bless us, but that we are unable to feel those blessings when we are hindered by attachment. The human mind is powerful. It can be the biggest obstacle on the road of life, and it can also be the biggest driving force on the road to success. It all comes down to the choices we make. Thank you for listening. Amitabha.